Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by turning wet cabbage into a drier mix because excess moisture ruins crispness. Once shredded and pressed, combine 1/2 cup all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons corn flour and a binder. This gives structure and crunch when fried. Make sure to season now with salt, pepper, and 1 teaspoon soy sauce for umami. Mix until the vegetables hold together. If too loose, add a tablespoon of flour. If too stiff, a splash of water lets you form even-sized portions. Now you shape and fry quickly so centers cook, but exteriors stay crisp. Once oil is hot, roughly 170 to 180 degrees, drop 1 to 1. 5 tablespoon rounds, pressing them lightly. This flattens and speeds cooking. Fry in batches so the oil temperature stays steady. Overcrowding cools the pan and makes soggy results. Turn after 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and firm. Transfer to a rack or paper towel and let them rest briefly so residual steam doesn't soften the crust. Finish by building a glossy, balanced sauce. This step turns crisps into Manchurian. You sauté garlic, ginger, and chopped chilies briefly to release aromatics. Then add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, and 1 tablespoon vinegar for sweet, salty, acidic balance. Once you pour in 1/2 cup of stock, whisk in a cornflour slurry to thicken until shiny. Toss the fried cabbage pieces gently so they remain coated but not soggy. Garnish with spring onion greens. Troubleshooting tip: if sauce makes them limp, serve immediately or increase slurry and reheat briefly to recrisp.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.